your, your. In this lesson, we are going to learn the difference between these two words and how to use each in a sentence. Your. This is an adjective, specifically a possessive adjective. And it refers to something that belongs to the person being spoken to. For example, we can use this in a question. Is that your laptop? Here we're asking if the laptop belongs to that person. Another example is, I love your shoes. Your garden is huge. Your. This is a contraction of you are. For example, you're so funny. Here, the sentence would still make sense if we said you are so funny. However, we've shortened the words you are to your. Another example is, you're a brilliant teacher. Call me when you're free.